Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. In front of us we have the all-new BRABUS 900. This is the GLE Rocket Edition. And in today's video I will show you the full exterior interior with a masterpiece luxury red contrast. And we will listen to the sound once we take it on the road. The BRABUS 900 GLE Rocket Edition is based on the GLE63 AMG. And that means it now has 900 horsepower, 1250 Newton meters of torque. And there are only 25 of these in the world. This is one of them. It is 1 in 25 like this emblem suggests. And of course the rear looks aggressive, but check out the front. It has a complete new Panamericana grille with final finishes in black and the carbon fiber gaps on the side. Here it says Rocket in lettering and of course the red stripes. The front diffuser carbon fiber with the BRABUS emblem. And it is just a beautiful contrast, the classic grey exterior color with carbon fiber details, black accents and of course the red stripes. You can see it has the carbon fiber gaps for aerodynamics and it moves beautiful into the rims. And these are special Rocket Edition rims with the mono disc and full carbon fiber details. It says Platinum Edition and of course the red brake calipers. Furthermore, BiTurbo 900 emblem on the side. That means 900 horsepower. And the side fenders are in carbon fiber. It doesn't have the white body because this is only the Rocket Edition. These are actually massive 24-inch rims. If you look closer, the BRABUS emblem is blacked out, black finish. I really love the coupe line on this GLE and especially the spoiler in carbon fiber. And yes, the aggressive rear is amazing. It has a red lettering of BRABUS with black finish, actually carbon fiber, and the quattro exhaust tips. Full carbon fiber with titanium, vertical lines, and we already remember the LEDs in the rear, but they are not fitted on this edition Rocket. And I just have to emphasize the massiveness of this spoiler, especially looking from down. And yes, it has the BRABUS emblem to open the trunk. So let's open it. And there it opens alongside the coupe line. Beautiful. And yes, the spoiler is actually cut in half on the edges. And this exactly matches with the spoiler on the trunk. So let me close it again. And there you can see how it matches. Perfectly aligned. Amazing emblem with the 900 Rocket Edition on the trunk area. Apart from all the carbon fiber fenders, BRABUS has managed to change the interior significantly. So as I open the door, you can already see a lot of red details. And this is because BRABUS changed more than 260 elements. So let's go inside. Let me close the door. Soft closing doors, of course. And yes, this must be one of the most exclusive interiors of Mercedes that I have ever sat inside. This is a full BRABUS edition with red contrast everywhere. Even the chrome parts over here in red seem matte-like. It has the beautiful gear changers with a nice clicking sound, and more than 260 parts in the interior have been changed. It has a complete new floor mat with leather details. Amazing door trim and leather. Also the complete seat adjustments, which are normally chrome, have been changed into red. And yes, it has the heated and cooling option that you can activate yourself at the same time. Every button here is in red. Amazing. It says here on the seat BRABUS masterpiece with the signature of the CEO, Constantin BRABUS. And yes, it has the high-end BRABUS surround sound system, so the red chrome part over there, also here on the ceiling, on each corner. So before I even start the engine to listen to the sound and take it for a drive, I want to show you first what's under the bonnet. Also, BRABUS stereo on the door for the high-end BRABUS surround sound system. Let's have a look at what is under the bonnet. You can open it with a release. Amazing. This is a true modification of the already 4-liter V8 AMG engine. BRABUS has actually increased the displacement to 4.5 liter. So now it has 900 horsepower and a staggering 1250 Newton meters of torque. It takes it to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.2 seconds, and the top speed is measured at 330 kilometers an hour. So I can't wait to take this beast coupe on the road. Let's go. So guys, now we are outside and ready to feel the power of the GLE 900 BRABUS. So I will just press the button for the electronics to work, switch it to Sport Plus and start the engine by pushing or pressing the downshift. That's crazy. Let me tilt the panoramic roof, and there you can see the BRABUS surround sound stereo behind my head. And let's listen to that again. I will turn it off. Sport Plus. Let's listen. Crazy. And there you have the dynamic view of the coupe. But if you have an overall look of the interior, it is so fancy, luxurious, with all the red accents all over. It has the carbon fiber at the dash, the door trim, glossy carbon fiber, and also here at the center console part, which is not standard for Mercedes. You can't have it. Beautiful. So let me put it into drive. And let's go. 900 horsepower and 1250 Newton meters of torque. Let's listen. I hope you guys can hear that, but it sounds so aggressive, like shots being fired. Crazy. Let me put it back into the comfort mode because I want to feel the comfort level in acceleration. You can really hear the new turbos breathing. Let's listen to it again and just remember 3.2 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour. Let's go. This is amazing, brutal, and of course a lovely steering wheel. BRABUS with full Napa leather exterior. Let me put it into Sport Plus and just listen to the difference. You really feel the car vibrate. Put it into return. There's a 360 degrees camera. Now the engine feels alive. I mentioned it now has a 4.5 liter displacement. Normally a 4 liter. With the dynamic select switch you can also change the exhaust button, so you can turn off the pops and bangs in Sport Plus. You can change the transmission start stop, but you can actually lower the car even more. Let's go again. I really love that this thermometric menu is in full red. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the BRABUS 900 Rocket Edition GLE Coupe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.